Hello everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again and let's get practice into the Microsoft Excel. Here I'm still using the Microsoft Excel of 2019 and we would like to know how to count the percentage here. And I will give in this video, I will give you two alternatives to count the percentage. And also I am showing you the table here that contains about the item from your grocery store and also the sale. And let's say if you have the task from your manager to check out or count the percentage, then the first step or the first alternative, I might be go a little bit manual. Let's say I will type the equal on the cell of E3 here, and I will click the cell of C3 that contains the cells of sugar, and I will give the slash and click the cell that contains the total and enter. Well, basically this is the correct way, but what if we drag it down or if we would like to know the sales of the another item. As you can see, there is no result because when we direct the cell of C, I'm sorry, the E4 here, as you can see, the C, the total, it should be on the cell of C13, not C14. How to do that or how to solve that? Then we will back to the cell of E3 here. Then the cell of C13, we will lock it up with the F4 from your keyboard and give it a enter. Then we will drag it down and there you go. The rest of the item has the percentage and so does the total here. And the second alternative I will show you is you can drag this data from the cell of D3 until D D12, I'm sorry, the cell of C3 until the cell of C12. Let's see. To make it faster, I will click or give it the combination of Control Shift and up. Oh, it can, I'm sorry. I will drag it manually like this. Mm-mm. Then after we drag it, as you can see, there is the button here named Quick Analysis. Then we can click it and go to the total, click this arrow and click this total. There you go. The percentage is already appeared only in second and we can also drag the total here. That's all guys. I hope this video helpful for you and don't forget to practice it to help you to master this function. So if you have any requests or is there any feedback for this video, don't forget to put it on a comment down below because we would love to see your comments and also your feedback there. And don't forget to visit and subscribe our channel to know more another video tutorial. I'll see you in another video and thank you for watching. Bye guys.